knowing English is very important because it helps you to broaden your area of communication. It increases the area of relationship you can connect with, and uh, it also helps you to read a lot of materials written in English. And knowing English has much to do with broadening your scope of knowledge about different disciplines or areas of study. So it is good and great to recognize the importance of knowing English properly and fluently, and make a deserved effort to increase or upgrade your fluency in it. The more you know it, the more you get more of various types of knowledge. And the more you do understand the importance and significance of knowing English, the more you do invest your time to acquire a lot of capabilities about it. Therefore, increasing your fluency in English begins with recognizing the importance of the very English itself, and thereafter you have to get a huge commitment and dedication to upgrade it. You can implement variety of methods to fast to make your English upgrade program faster or speedy. Some of which includes, for example, exercising it consistently and continuously, having a great confidence as to about your ability to develop it, and showing a great courage to make speedy accumulation of knowledge about it, making all the necessary mistakes and showing confidence in making mistakes in the course of acquiring a great deal of knowledge about English, and exercising it through various methods. For example, by practicing it when you are alone, by gathering a lot of words, names and words, verbs from different sources. This showing fascination about grammar, paying huge respect and consideration to grammar, keeping to its lines, loving to read in English, loving to speak in English, loving to even think in English, and the like. For example, when you consider your appetite to gather and collect words, if you are highly interested in gathering and knowing more words written about knowing more words about knowing more vocabulary words, English words, for sure you will have plenty of words through which you can speak English. The more you know, the more the number of words you do know, the more the options you have either to communicate or to listen about English. Therefore, you have to be interested in collecting and gathering or knowing as many words as possible, and you can get that lot of words either from dictionary or by asking individuals or trying to understand the meaning of words from contextual interpretations and the like. Uh, uh, another another accelerator aspect about English is confidence. You have to be confident to know English. Confidence matters not only for English, but also for all types of languages. For all types of languages. Therefore, if you want to be fluent at any language, you have to be confident enough to make as many mistakes as possible, without considering what others have to say about your mistakes or about lack of ability. So, confidence matters. Confidence has, by the way, two meanings. It has two relevant significances in this case. One is not to be afraid of making mistakes. Second is you should not downgrade your ability to know languages, and English is one among the languages. Another aspect is uh, you have to love reading. The more you read about things written in English or literature written in English, uh, the more you acquire new knowledge, new words about English, and thereby accelerating your uh, your fluency in English. Another aspect is grammar. You have to be a big fan